Hi, this is Ed from Wright. It's the middle of the night in early spring, and I want to take you for a quick field trip. Come with me. All right, here we are in assembly, and what I want to do just tonight is show you that we are really producing mowers. There's some people that are wondering, hey, are we producing? Where's the equipment? I can't get a promise date on when something's going to come, and I just want to talk about some of those things a little bit. You'll see that it's quieting down because we're just wrapping up the end of the second shift here in the middle of the night. So I often don't talk about our pace of production, how many mowers we make per year. It's just not constructive. We want to think of each of our mowers, each of our customers on an individual basis. But for now, what I'll say is we're making mowers day and night, and we make one about every 15 to 20 minutes. So that's a lot of hours, it's a lot of mowers, and we are cranking them out, a whole lot of them. Now what's happened over the past couple of years is that our retail sales have just been so strong that we haven't been able to keep up, and our suppliers haven't been able to get us all the components that we've needed either. And so that's kind of the crux of the issue, and we call them shortages. Now, the reason we can't give promise dates on equipment is because here we are building a ZXL here today, but it could be that tomorrow we have to change the production schedule because something doesn't come in. That happens all the time, and because it's happening all the time, we can't say, hey, this is exactly when we're going to build a certain model. And then the second factor to that is we ship mowers into about 10 warehouses throughout the country, and by the truckload, and then from there they ship several mowers at a time into our dealers, and that's many of those mowers are spoken for by our dealers, and so that doesn't mean we don't necessarily know where each of those machines is headed, and you know that whole situation. Now, if you are looking for that particular machine, what you want to do is you want to speak with the dealer. Make sure that they know that you want that piece of equipment, because they keep your name on it when it does come in, even if they can't tell you when it'll be. Now, I'll tell you, some parts of the country, certain models, we are months out, but most of our equipment right now is in stock at dealers for typical models. But over the next month or so, that's going to get really, really tight. So be sure you're communicating with your dealer very closely on your needs, and unfortunately, we're not going to be able to give you exact dates on it, and that's the reality that we face. So we appreciate your patience as we work through a lot of this.